welcome back to my channel. We are on a walk through the woods to see all of the bluebells. They've come out in force for spring and it's looking very, very pretty. I've returned from France with an illness, so I'm not in the best of shape today. Picked up a nasty stomach bug when we were in, it was either in Arles or Avignon. I don't really know when I picked it up, but yeah, I was violently sick. Recovered from that at least, just tired now. We're just going to take a drive through to Pitlochry, visit a few things there. There's like the hydroelectric dam and the SSE visitor centre there, and there's a couple of nice walks that you can do around the town as well. So that's what we shall be doing. Just going to take a wander into town now and see what else there is to do in Pitlochry. Don't really know if a whole load of things are going to be open right now, but we'll see.